So we have Epson L3153 Wi-Fi printer. It is color printer, inkjet printer, and it is not printing full colors, like some of the colors only it prints. So let me show you. So I am going to give a test print command from my computer. So as you can see, it is giving only blue color, none of the colors is coming. Like here should be black color text. So let me show you by printing another rainbow color page. I have given another test print. So it is giving all the colors except black color. Let me print black color only. We need black color in this print, so I am going to fix this. So this is my computer and I have already installed this respective driver. So I am going to printer properties and I'm going to advanced. There is not advanced, optional settings. Okay, there is driver settings also. So we will go to preference and here we will see maintenance option. In this maintenance, perform a head cleaning and click on start. I have already done this process, and after doing that process my print was not coming so well. Like it was not printing black color, like you can see it was printing like this type of color, not proper. So I again used power cleaning option. So you can do it in once of 12 hours. For example, if I do this once, I have already done this, but for now, so to do next time I have to wait 12 hours. Okay, then only this will go. So I have already done it and see my result. I will print the test page. Okay, so I'm going to give the command print test page. Okay, let's see my printer. So you can see here now the black color is coming so much accurately and my printer is repaired. So as you can see, when I color printed this, this line was coming in all the colors, right? But you can see here also line it. Okay, see, you can see this. But when I maintained, like I used all the option to power flush, head clean, head alignment, and after using all the options you can see the so much clean and nice printing for all the colors, and there is no this type of line segment in this latest print. So enjoy using this Epson printer after getting repaired.